Hey guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. In this episode, I'm going to show you, and actually we're going to do this together, how to clean this rusty cast iron pan. I left it out uncovered and water, it rained, water got in it before I could come out and save it. So I went to the store, I found this guy, and I've really been interested to see how it works. If this is your first time here, my name is John. I share cooking and recipe videos here in the Chef's Backyard. So is the Lodge Rust Eraser enough to keep this cast iron cleaner? Actually, to clean it up. Right there it says rust be gone. So, and according to Lodge, cast iron lasts forever. So we just need to scrape that top layer of stuff off. Just in case this doesn't work as good as needed, I brought some reinforcements. And so we'll see. Let's get her done. Here we go. Let's open. This is my first time using one of these guys. There will be a link to purchase one of these in the bottom. Let's see if it works. I'm going to recommend it. If we'll let you know what does work. So they say just use it like an eraser. And right away, I can see it removing the rust that's there. Let's see, I'll bring you in closer. Yeah, I think I like that view better. So let's see. Oops, sorry guys. All right, let's get in there. Let's give this thing a scrub. Now I'm just using pressure. I haven't added anything else. And I'm just going back and forth, just back and forth, because I want to see what it'll do. Pretty quickly, man, it's getting the rust up and off. It's wearing down that little corner a little bit, okay? It was completely square like this, and now it's worn down just a little bit, but that's okay. You can see all of that red. You can see all that red oxidation there, and it really is pulling it right up. I'm pretty excited about this, actually. You know, that is working a lot faster than I thought it was, than I thought it would be, right? And really, it's just the pressure, rust eraser on the metal. Let's dump that out. A bit of iron oxide on there. So pretty quickly, in just a matter of a couple of minutes, I've been able to clean, you know, pretty much half of the bottom. I'm going to keep working on this, and then we'll do a final wash down with some soap and then seal it, and then we'll let you know how it really worked. I'm going to start working on the sides up here. Now, one of the things, that this cast iron pan is not pitted. It's just got a really even layer of rust on it. So I'm pretty sure if you had a pan to get that clean, but really so far we're just knocking the rust off. And it's all been up here on the surface. Man, I'm going to say that this is what you need. I was expecting to be out here for half an hour or so getting this guy clean. But I don't think it's going to take that long. Let's see, let me move the camera so I can take advantage of that light. Wow, I like that. This is doing really good. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. So far, that's just this Lodge Rust Eraser. I'm digging it. So we've already got half of the pan clean. I'm going to use this part just so I can get a time estimate on how long it's going to take me to really clean this whole pan. But I'm just going to get to work. Hopefully you can see the results I'm seeing. This is just rubbing the rust right off. And honestly, I thought this pan was in pretty bad shape. But this tool, this little rust eraser, is really getting under there and getting it clean. I recommend, if you have any sort of cast iron, so far at this point, and I haven't even finished the job yet, I recommend you getting this. Because I've done it with scouring pads and other stuff, and they don't work as fast as this thing is. And it looks like it's sort of an eraser with some metallic compound in there. I'm sure the metal is the abrasive in there, but man, that is just coming up right up, really clean. Sure, it's going to take some refinement, but man, that's great. Oh man, almost there, guys. Let's clean up that handle. All right, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Let's see, a little spot there, a couple of little touch-up spots inside, but really and truly, it's pretty darn clean. Now we'll continue the clean and rust on the outside, and then that'll be part of the curing as well, right? So once we finish cleaning it, but to be finished cleaning it, we got to get all of this rust off. We'll just keep on working it. So far, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, man. If you've used this before, if you have a foolproof method, if you have a video that you love that shows how to clean cast iron that you think is easier than this, let me know, man. I'm here to learn too, but I'm definitely here to share what I know with you, my beloved viewers. I'm going to tell you, I've been putting this job off because I thought it was too much of a task, but get stuff done, man. Don't put it off. I don't know how long I'm going to be here, but I bet you this pan will be here longer than me. A couple more little spots. And there you have it, guys. after using the Lodge Rust Eraser on the outside, on the handle, on the back side, feel pretty good about that. We will give it a wash down with some soap and water, let it dry, and rub it down with oil and cure it. Be back in a few. All right, guys, so I just grabbed some alcohol pads. I wanted to see if we were through that rust, or if there's more rust that I need to get in there and knock off. I think I see a little bit down here. Work that a little bit harder. I'll work that side down there. All right, I think we're down pretty close to base metal. Now we'll wash it with soap. And next step after washing it with soap is let it dry, and then we'll oil it and cure it. All right, for this next step, we got some spray soap. Just gonna get that in there. Rust and the steel particles that were scrubbed away. Do a little bit more on the back side. All right, and now we just need to rinse that off. All right, now I'm going to take it to the garden hose and give it a final spray. If you guys want to know how to keep your grill clean, I've got that video too. I'll link it after this video. It'll be connected. We're going to take this pan, we're going to dry it off. Right now I have my grill set all the way to high. I'm going to let that go for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off, close the lid, and then we'll come back. So far we have scrubbed the pan, we washed the pan, and now we dried the pan off. So now it's time to cure it with some oil. So guys, for this next step, you just need some oil. Today I'm using vegetable oil. You can do a higher heat oil we're gonna seal the whole pan. So I just poured some in there. We're gonna rub it all around. Now we wanna get every bit of the surface of this pan, right? All of it. Because we wanna create a layer of protection between the elements and the surface of this pan. Okay, so just take a minute, oil it all down. Now we'll go back and we'll reheat our grill. And we're gonna place our pan on our grill upside down, and we've got all the burners on low. We're gonna close the lid and we're gonna let it go for about 30 minutes. See you soon. All right, so we are 30 minutes in and we've got our pan there on the hot heat. Let's see, let's flip this guy over. Got a good cure going on. Everything else, we'll give it a good rub in, and we'll turn off the heat and let it rest until it is cool enough to handle. And I think that Lodge Rust Eraser is a great tool. You let me know what your thoughts are. There you go, Lodge Rust Eraser. So what do you guys think about the job that the Lodge Rust Eraser was able to do on that rusty cast iron pan? I think it was great. I'm going to go ahead and link the Lodge Rust Eraser into the comments. That way, if you want one, if you're convinced by this video, you can purchase it. And if you've liked this video, please hit like, subscribe. If it's helped you, share with a friend. Hope to see you soon here at the Chef's Backyard. Peace and love.